Hello class, this is Viraj. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are today continuing our discussion on current affairs for prelims 2026. Today's topic of discussion is Masala Bonds. Before going to Masala Bonds, first and foremost, record your attendance in the comment section. Second thing that I want you to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Third thing that I want you to do is pay attention. ठीक है तो फर्स्ट आई विल एक्सप्लेन व्हाट इज मसाला बॉन्ड. Second, I will let you know the pointers that you need to remember about Masala Bond for prelims examination. And that I want you to do, third thing that I want you to do is note down the important points. Take it, just don't listen to it, note them down. If possible, what we'll do is in near future I will be providing you with the PDFs also. ठीक है, आज to note down, कम से कम do it today. Last thing that I want you to do is share this video with your friends so that they are also benefited. Alright, chalo. Let us now start with what are masala bonds. Let me first define it to you. Don't get scared. I will break it down. Masala bond are rupee dominated bonds issued outside India by Indian entities to raise money from foreign investors. So through this particular bonds, what we do is we get money into India. What is the specialty of this bond? When we repay the investors, we repay them in Indian rupees, because of which Indian entities who have taken the money now, उनको shock नहीं लगता of currency volatility. So we basically in that way are secured कि we are to give the money back in our currency and not in dollars or euros. ठीक है. Why are they called masala bonds? Because they carry India's flavors to the world. ठीक है, that's it, nothing else. Look, let us now look into the features of masala bond. ठीक है, so these bonds are issued by as I told you, Indian entities. Who are these Indian entities? Basically those entities who are looking for money. ठीक है, those entities who are looking for money, and they can be Indian companies, they basically can be PSUs, they basically can be banks, they can be municipal corporations, and they can be states also. ठीक है. Where are they issued? They are issued in international financial centers like London, Singapore, and Hong Kong. ठीक है. Most important feature we have already discussed. They are rupee dominated and to be repaid in Indian rupees. ठीक है. They are rupee dominated and are repaid to be in Indian rupees, which, as I have earlier also stated, secures us from currency volatility. All right, who regulates these bonds? RBI regulates this bond, and also the host country's regulators. So for example, if these bonds are issued in London, so RBI will regulate them, and also the monetary regulator of United Kingdom. ठीक है, monetary regulator of United Kingdom. Who are the major investors in this bond? तो global institutional investors, hedge funds, and pension funds. What do this term mean? I will not be able to explain in this particular video. I'm trying to make it as crisp as possible, but someday I will get Gaurav sir along with me. He will explain it to you. So, okay, so you will get the teachings of what these concepts are from the best. Now moving on to why are masala bond important for India. As I have told earlier also, there is no risk, no currency risk for Indian issuers of the bond. ठीक है, since the repayment happens in rupees, foreign investors bear the risk of exchange rate, not Indian companies or not Indian issuers. This is the biggest advantage. Second, what they do is they allow cheaper international borrowing. Indian companies get access to global capital at competitive interest rate. Third, they are mostly used for boosting infrastructure. ठीक है. So what basically happens is development of India happens through this particular masala bonds. ठीक है. Majorly what we have seen in the past is investments have been, as I told you, in infrastructure projects, they have been in housings, they have been in renewable energy, they have also been in recapitalization of bank, that is infusing money into banking system of India. Next, what it does is it takes rupee into the foreign financial markets. So it promotes internationalization of Indian rupees. It encourages global use of rupees in international financial transactions. Last, it basically reduces the pressure on domestic credit market, meaning Indian companies depend less on Indian banks for large borrowings. ठीक है. Fun fact, one fun fact, the first Masala bond was issued in 2014 by International Finance Corporation in London, and the money was used for the purpose of funding infrastructure projects in India. For the purpose of funding infrastructure projects in India. All right. What are the risks associated with masala bonds? So first risk is for foreign investors. ठीक है, if there is currency volatility, as I told you, this risk is for foreign investors. Second, if there is instability in global financial markets, then what will happen is investors will lose their appetite towards the masala bonds, and it has happened in the past. Third, interest rates are linked to Indian inflation and RBI's monetary policy. So what happens in India's internal economy na, that affects the performance of masala bonds also. So again, this is the risk that investors have to take first and foremost, and because investors are taking the risk now, it affects us also because we are borrowing from them. Lastly, there can be complexities with respect to regulation because there are two regulators involved, first and foremost RBI and then the regulator of the host country. So this was all guys with respect to masala bonds. I hope this particular interaction was helpful to you. As I told you, please subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, leave a question or a doubt if you have with respect to what I have just discussed, and please share this video. All right, thank you so much. Bye. So thank you so much, bhaiyo और बहनों. All right, thank you. Bye.